Every missed call is a missed opportunity. Every lead left waiting is a customer lost to your competition. In the HVAC industry, speed is everything. What if you could answer every single call instantly, 24/7? What if you could connect with every new lead within 15 seconds of their submission? This isn't science fiction. This is the new reality for HVAC businesses. Introducing the revolutionary AI voice agent, built to handle the demands of your industry. Unlimited call volume, instant speed to lead, advanced call routing that works like a high-end, real-life receptionist. This is the power of artificial intelligence unleashed for your business. Stop missing calls. Start dominating your market.